All right, guys, it's your boy Ice. We are back with another update for SPLASSIVE. Massive gain so far, man. I like this project so far. It's only been, like 4 days or something like that. But, as you guys know, in the crypto space, a lot of things can go wrong. So, I'm going to celebrate my W's because we coming off of like insane rug season, insane scams, and people are just tired. If you're tired, please click the like button right now. Shouts out to the guys, my 3 teammates. Friday. Hold on, man. Let me double check it. So in 2 more days, I need you guys to hit me up on Instagram, man. Or just one person, because it's a good chance. I set a reminder for Friday. We're gonna do an airdrop Friday for the 3 guys. You know what I'm saying? So I really don't need to know who you are. It'll be dope to have like a community, and I'm gonna put together some stuff like Discords and Telegrams. Maybe not Telegrams, but I don't know. If somebody in the community want to help me with this project, then I'll let you boy. Other than that, Splash's I'm sorry, y'all. It's something about this that just tongue. I need somebody else to read this because every time I try to read this, it's just somewhere on my tongue, man. But Splash's the tap is a low risk, high reward, and I'm already getting ready for this. So just if I don't get it today, then I'll get it tomorrow. Splash's the tap is a low risk, high reward contract that operates similar. I don't know. I need somebody to say this on camera so I know I'm not tripping. Because there's something about this word. There's just something in my tongue. It's just it's weird. To a high yield certificate of deposit. Let me read this again, man. Splash's the tap is a low risk, high reward contract that operates similar to a high yield certificate of deposit by paying out 2% daily. Return on investment up to 360%. Players can compound and extend their earnings through deposits, hydrating rewards, as well through team-based referrals. So shouts out to the goons. So basically, I just hydrate. I'm gonna be hydrating, but basically, I just hydrate once a day around like 12 in the morning, or 10 at night, or 2 in the morning. Normally between those times, that's what I do. Already we're at $100. I can take this $100 and I can do something with it. To say the least. I could take this $100 and I can do something with it. That's powerful, y'all. And the crazy thing is there's a lot of new people. I'm more so my videos are geared towards people who want information and people who are fairly new. I'm not here for experts. That's just not my thing. Way too much. But if you like watching these videos regardless, I'm here for you. So, hey, Wave token is still going strong. If you want to start a team, make sure you get you some Wave token. And yeah, I got about this much. So, hey, I'll, get a few more people in and we're just going to pop off. As far as team building, it's one of them things like, for me, it's not really something that I focus on. But since you need a buddy anyway, why not? I can see if it was one of those projects where, it's encouraged if you want to support someone, you use a link, blah, 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 blah. But unfortunately, you actually need, hold on, y'all. Hopefully y'all don't see that. Unfortunately, you actually need a buddy, code, or link, or blah, blah, blah. And I always encourage you guys, just go with somebody else, man. Because regardless, you're going to need a link. It's weird to struggle with something like that with that whole time, you could have just got in $26. There's dudes out there trying to figure out who link to click. By the time you figure out what link to click, it's going to be at $30, bruh. Every dollar makes a hell of a difference in your rewards, your earnings, and things of that nature. So this is not financial advice. Because dudes like to have guys with suits on walking up to guys. We don't got time for that, man. Do your research. I mean, I know y'all get tired of hearing guys say that. I get tired of hearing, but you gotta say it, man, because people is wilding. Look at this chart, y'all. I'm gonna keep it real with you. I did not know this was updated. I'm just seeing this for the first time right now. So shouts out to the SPLASSIVE team for putting in continuous work on a daily basis, on the minute, on the hour. This is incredible. So now, for anybody that's asking me, where's the chart? Here's the chart right here. Come on. I really like, this is a personal thing that I like with projects. I really like when they have the things, everything you need on the website. Now somebody can say, oh, that's stupid because of whatever reason. I like, the key word is I like, and if it's stupid, it's stupid. I don't care. I like when things are on the website and I don't have to be chasing down links, chasing down websites. You know, somebody create a SPLASSIVE website with 3 S's and they catch you off guard. Anybody can get this work, man. You don't have to be dumb or smart. Like, anybody can get it. So, you know, I like when everything is just on the site. Oh, let me click the other website. And it got 4 S's in it. Like, man, no. So, shouts out to the team. Make sure you do your research and you won't get caught lacking like that. But, yeah, we have $26 at the moment. Ooh, I like that they just putting extra stuff up there. Because they could just have this going as you... Wait, it's getting kind of spooky. Why is it getting weird like this? All right, this how weird can we get? Hold on, I'm wilding. All right, never mind. I think I'm doing too much. But wait till we get to. Hold on, man. Am I wilding? I'm gonna scroll over here and just see. This is strange because the website looks so plain. It just looked crazy. But yeah, check out this website because it just look crazier every time. I just feel like I'm doing something. But yeah, sooner or later we hit this 46. You know, Rob, I hope you guys can see this right here. You know what I'm saying? What will we hit? Hopefully we get to like hit that hot 50, man. Now I did say, oh yeah, we're gonna be hit 50 by February. Something I said. We'll see. You know what I'm saying? Don't hold me to this stuff, y'all. Don't do that. So the supply, contract balance, and all that good stuff. Make sure you check it out. But it's really not much to say unless something like, you know, new is popping off. That's why I spent as much time on this. This is new. Buy waves. You can buy waves right here. So that's dope because I could have sworn when I first got in this project on like the 11th or I think it was like the 11th maybe. So it was like 5 days. I did not see this right here. So make sure you check out the white paper. Make sure you check out the you can buy waves here. If you come to the well, you can see the chart here for the chart guys. And if you want to see like a bar chart or something like that, a candle chart, you know, I'll post a link for that as well. But yeah, man, that is it. So let's crank on the good old refresh. We still have 26. And then we have $100 in. We're gonna let this rock out for another 2 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna let this rock out for about 12 hours. You know what I'm saying? And then after that, in the next 12 hours, we're gonna be putting that up in this SOB. You know what I'm saying? And if you guys want to jump in, click the link in the description. If not, click the link in somebody else's description. You know, that's how we getting down. Other than that, man, it's your boy. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. I might be back with a waves video. I kind of want to keep it around that. One splash, one wave. Keep it moving. And then whatever else we got going on. The last video I showed you guys a whole bunch of stuff so that I'm involved in and invested in. So check out that last video if you want to see some other stuff. You want to see me taking L's? Because I like giving people what they want sometimes, man. Like people, it's a lot of people out here that want to see a guy take an L. So if you want to see somebody take some L's, watch the previous video of me taking hella L's. I can show y'all more L's. You know what I'm saying? Because once W start popping off, I can say, yo, I was taking L's before the W start popping off. It just gets annoying because people try to pop up and say, oh, he got lucky. No. You know how much work it took just to learn how to put all this stuff together? Ain't nobody getting lucky around here, man. Shouts out to this guy. I don't know who the heck this is. I think this might have been somebody in a Telegram like, hey, use my buddy link. I just clicked some random link. I'm not about to be thinking out hard on who gonna get this paper. You know what I mean? So shouts out to that guy. You got some paper off of me. I mean, I jumped in with $1,000, and here we are. So there's some dudes with some crazy bags. There's some dudes with some crazy teams. Shouts out to those guys, man. Shouts out to those guys with these gnarly teams. I mean, you know, why not? I don't gain anything from hating them. Matter of fact, you lose because you have to practice that, and it takes a lot of negative energy. But that's a subject for a whole another story. So yeah, tonight I might go live and come on live. Man, where my 3 guys at? That's all I need. I'm gonna go live and hydrate live, even for 5 minutes. Just talk to y'all for 5 minutes and hydrate. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, that's all I really have for you guys today. If you want to join, click the link. And if you don't like me, then click somebody else's link. Other than that, man, that's all I really have for you guys. Hit me up on Instagram. Post something in the comment section. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one.